This is day 17 of trying to hit a golf ball over the log cabin into the hole on the other side. This hole on this side of the house. Because today is day 17, we get 17 shots. Cameraman is on my last nerve. He's not here again today. We're counting up the days now. Shot number 1 on the way with no help. Could have been better. All right, let's go find him. All pretty short today, it looks like. All like right behind me here in the snow. My pink sweatshirt is pretty bright, so it's a little hard to see. Follow for day 17 tomorrow. Love you guys. Let's freaking go. We're getting close. Someone's gonna win some money. All right, see ya.